with the next tip and trick here in AutoCAD for productivity. And this would be the oops command. Yes. So sometimes happen that you are working on a drawing, um, and let's say you're working here in this drawing and by accident you erased a column, just to give you an example, and then you keep moving over here, drawing rooms and so on. So I'm gonna copy this just to give you an example. And then you realize, oh no, so I erased this column by accident, but I already did some work here. I don't want to simply undo and go back and lose all of my progress that I already did. So what do I do? Here is where the oops command comes handy. So if I type oops, like so, you will see that this handy command will bring back the object that you erased by accident. So let's try it. Oops, and press enter. And you can see your column is showing now again, which is great. So that way you don't lose your progress. Isn't that great, right? So I hope you can utilize this oops command in your workflow. So let's